Mastering, at the last moment, a guide to timely English expressions. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, at the last moment. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your fluency in English. So, if you've ever found yourself puzzled by this expression, you're in the right place. Let's decode it together. At the last moment refers to doing something just before it is too late or just before a deadline or event is about to happen. It's often used to describe actions taken under pressure, where time is of the essence. This phrase can convey a sense of urgency or a narrow escape from a deadline. To grasp the practical use of at the last moment, let's look at some examples. 1. She finished her project at the last moment, just before it was due. 2. He decided to join the trip at the last moment, almost missing the chance. These examples highlight how the phrase can be used to describe actions taken just in time before a missed opportunity or deadline. Understanding synonyms and variations can help you enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few related phrases. In the nick of time emphasizes narrowly avoiding something bad or meeting a deadline. Just in time focuses on completing something right before it's due, without the negative connotation of rushing. At the 11th hour, another phrase meaning very late in the process, often with a sense of last-minute decision or action. Incorporating at the last moment into your English can make your speech sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe scenarios where timing is critical. Combine it with stories or experiences where you or someone else took action just before it was too late. Practice using its synonyms to add variety to your conversations or writing. Understanding the phrase, at the last moment, and its usage can significantly improve your English communication skills, making your conversations richer and more nuanced. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this expression effectively in various contexts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to incorporate these phrases into your daily English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.